some miracle happened around you or something like that.
मेरे see, you know what, मेरे life में तो miracle ही miracles है, but it's become so normal now that I remember once in Bombay, for example, Bombay में गुरुजी आए and there was a fantastic trip that happened, and I still remember that he actually came to my house in that trip, and then I had to drop him back. I got that, luckily, that responsibility that I could drop him back. So I had this. I mean, I remember this vividly. You know what? I can't remember anything. I can't remember what I ate yesterday, but I can remember these things quite vividly. So I used to have a blue Maruti Esteem, and I had to drop Guruji. So when Guruji sat and I have to drop him to the airport, I saw that petrol का जो काटा होता ना, वो E को जरा टच कर रहा था. I was like, ठीक है, मतलब अभी you can't go and go to with Guruji sitting, you can't go and to the petrol pump and say petrol भरो भाई, तो मुझे ड्रॉप कर देंगे. और एयरपोर्ट में बॉम्बे, as soon as you get out of the airport, there is a petrol pump, भर के हम लोग घर चले जाएंगे. So I said, all that set plan, man. तो आए हम लोग, we dropped. I don't know who was with me also. Rohini, I think. Rohini Oak was sitting in the back. I don't remember. So anyway, we came, we parked the car, and then people come running and says, flight is delayed. So and then he says, तो चलो भाई, अब बॉम्बे आए हैं, इतना दूर आए हैं, और बॉम्बे का कुछ स्पेशलिटी नहीं खाए तो लोग क्या बोलेंगे. तो I'm like, अरे यार, and my माथा is ठनकोइंग. अरे अभी ड्राइव करो, मतलब it will be a long drive, somewhere we have to go. अब डीजल पेट्रोल नहीं है तो कार रुक के पेट्रोल थोड़ी भराएंगे. I'm like, tension. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Anyway, the guys gives me the asan. I put the asan. I come this side. I sit in the car, and guess what, Digvijay? Quarter. Petrol ka kanti on quarter. And I'm telling you, I'm a very, very practical person. I'm not a, like, Jai Gurudev Kuku kind of guy. I'm a very practical guy. And I'm seeing that kata going from E where it was to suddenly to quarter. I'm like, this guy is crazy, man. This guy is God. And then guess what? We drive, and you know what he says? इतना दूर आया, अगर बॉम्बे तक आया, अगर पानी पूरी नहीं खाया तो लोग क्या कहेंगे? Suddenly, from being this divine guy and the most best friend that you can have, and suddenly he wants to be with you, and this is what I would call an avatar. Who comes to your level. I mean, I was going to say stoops to your level, but it's not a fair thing to say. Comes down to your level and communicates with you at your level, so that then there is one sense of atmiyata, and then whatever he says, you will catch easily. But if he says it from a pedestal, you will never relate to it, because wo to sirf Guruji kar sakte. He will bring himself down, and that is what he said. That is avatar. जो अपने आप को उतारता है, अवतरित होता है, और and then communicates and connects with you. So this is my experience of what an avatar would be like. So I remember, you know what, Bombay में if you go, airport से बाहर निकलते सीधा, if you go to Vile Parla station के पास, there is one Shiv Sagar. I don't know whether I can say all.
Yes, it's still there.
So Shiv Sagar है, वहां पर हम लोग गए, and यहाँ अच्छा क्या मिलता है? तो हम लोग बोला पाव भाजी यार. तो पाव भाजी, पानी पूरी, भेलपुरी, a lot of us were there. And ऑर्डर आया, तो हम लोग, मैं बोल रहा हूँ विदाउट अनियन करो, विदाउट ये, विदाउट वो. तो मिनट ऑल दैट कम्स, गुरुजी सेज, ओ प्याज नहीं लाया क्या? अरे यार, everything that I'm like, there's some conditioning, no, around everything that we think. See, everything that we are thinking comes from something that somebody has said, or some experience or something, and everything is conditioned around that. So he wants to break it all, it seems at least. So प्याज कांदा मंगाओ भाई, and this finely chopped onions come, and it's in front of him, like, and I said, Guruji, is सबसे best पाव भाजी, एकदम दबा के खाओ. So you know what he did? पाव का स्लाइस पे वो डाला, क्या पाव भाजी, उसके ऊपर दूसरा स्लाइस रखा, और उसको दबा रहे.
Okay.
We made in Bombay, no, मराठी में दबा के खाओ बोलते. So dabak, and he ate it all with all of us, lay completely at home, and then he says, okay, now it's time to go. And then we go, we sit in the car, we drive back to the airport. And then I remember when we reached the airport, Manisha Mehta was there, one of our teachers, very senior teacher. She said, क्या गुरुजी आपने मेरे लिए कुछ लाया नहीं खाने के लिए? अरे तुम्हारे नहीं, अरे हाँ Naushad, Manisha के लिए कुछ लेके आओ. Something. Then Naushad called, थोड़ा जाके उसको थोड़ी जाना था बेचारे को, गुरुजी यहाँ छोड़ के थोड़ी कहीं जाएगा. So he called after some time to somebody or whatever. He says कि कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है गुरुजी यहाँ पे. तो इसे तो सही टेस्ट बोलो, थोड़ा आगे जाओ, आगे जाके लेफ्ट लो, वहां मिलेगा. And Naushad comes with a huge packet of goodies which Guruji gives to Manisha and says, "Abhi khao," and then he leaves. So I'm just saying, these are all, you can call it miracle, you can call it what you wish, but every moment with him there is something unfolding. However, for me personally, when I reflect back on it, it shows some knowledge in it. But at that point in time, it was like, for me, it was sheer fun. You know what I'm saying? So being with the master, every moment is a moment full of knowledge only, and that is how. And he doesn't necessarily tell you knowledge. Like I said in the beginning, no, it is not about the spoken words. It's more about the presence itself. From his being, something will come which you will catch sooner or later, depending on how thick you are or not. You will catch it, and that will translate into your life as knowledge. Right? So, like for example, nowadays when some real problem really happens, he says the standard thing in our head is what? हाँ ठीक है, अब क्या? We never said, oh, हो गया, अब इसका क्या? चलना जो भी हो, अब क्या बोलना, करना क्या है? This whole thing. Somebody can keep on telling you, don't be part of the problem, be a part of the solution. You can tell you 100 times. But when you get into events like Silver Jubilee, when you get into events like WCF, you cannot but ask, अब क्या बोल भाई? चल जो हो गया सो हो गया, अब करना क्या बता? Because event तो होना है. See, whether you like it or not, whether you are whatever, event to hona hai na. So the only reaction to the problem would be, okay, get it, but now tell me what do we do? That is called living in the present moment, not getting stuck. So कितनी बार भी 10 बार बोलो live in the moment, वो घुसेगा नहीं. लेकिन इस तरह के events में डालते हैं. Silver Jubilee में, मतलब I still remember anything and everything that could go wrong went wrong and more, right? So somebody in the meeting after Guruji, somebody said, Guruji, everything was such a mess. And I said, and everything was mesmerizing. In the sense that in the back end, if you see the back end, everything that could go wrong had gone wrong, and how. But if you ask somebody who attended it, it's like, whoa, or somebody who saw it on TV, will say, kya tha yaar wo bhavya? Same with WCF. I see a pattern here, by the way. WCF also was like that only. Anything and everything that could go wrong with WCF happened. I mean, you remember, right? From the ecology to NGT to you name it. And frankly, between you and me, we did everything right. The permissions were taken, everything was taken, but everything sort of flew out of hand. And between you and me, on ground, we were not ready for this. Because we feel we do such a lot of great work, why would somebody attack us? नहीं होता ना. हम लोग, we are all, सब कुछ अपना अपना जगह पर business ये वो सब छोड़ के, you are coming to do something really, really nice, all of us. And when we do something so righteously, you feel ki, why would somebody attack us? But when we actually got attacked, the first couple of days, in my opinion, we were all numb on ground because we didn't know how to react to it. Most people would have, come back with something. We were just numb because we kept working. We didn't know how to react. And in the midst of all of this, I remember going to Guruji. Once I went to where he was in some hotel, and I was like, Guruji, what's going on? Everything is going wrong. And anything I want to find out, goes somewhere and gets stuck. Nothing is happening. And I started, just crying. I just couldn't handle it. मतलब इतना खराब कैसे हो सकता कुछ भी? And our man was so light, like a feather. I told him, I said, Guruji, everything is such a mess, but look at you, you're like a feather, so light. So, and when I stood with him for it was 5-10 minutes I spent with him, and I went back to the ground. Those 5-10 minutes gave me so much energy, gave me so much hope that I went back and things started falling in place. It is unbelievable. ये जो live in the present moment, आप 200 बार किसी को बोल दो और कोई भी एक इस तरीके परिस्थिति में कोई आपको डाल दे, then suddenly you feel like, what now? What next? Come on, let's go out there and do it. That ability to be part of the solution rather than the problem comes by being with somebody like Guruji in his presence, and he puts you through some circumstances. And it is not by mistake, it is by design. This is how it is designed. You have to go through what you have to go through and shine through bright. I mean, that's the way I see it.
So first aspect you mentioned, Gurudev is so humble. Then second you mentioned Gurudev is so human, and third you mentioned how light and how great leader he is. But there are some moments when you see Gurudev and you suddenly feel, oh my God, he's God.
All the time. I'll tell you, this guy has a tough time hiding his divinity. I'm telling you this. However much he might put on this, I'm just another guy, you know, but it keeps coming through. It keeps through the cracks. It will come and show you. The divinity is all over. You know what? What is divinity? The ability to connect with somebody else. I know him. He's meeting the president of a country, and 4 minutes later he's meeting a farmer from the most rural part of India, and with the same ease, with the same comfort, with the same. Why? Because he's coming from a space of giving. हम लोग जब किसी मीटिंग में जाते हैं तो हम लोग को ना हमको कैसे दिखना है, ऐसे करना है, वैसे हमारा all of that messes it all up. And he says, you know, I remember once he was saying, we were driving from some place and he was saying how at any given point in time something or the others, whatever is flowing through me, there is not a calculated thought कि वो दिग्विजय आया, दिग्विजय ने मुझे ये पूछा, पिछली बार वो पूछा था इसका. There is no equation semblance. There is, at that point in time, Digvijay comes, he asks, he gets what he needs, not what I want to give him. So that is why you will go to him with a question, and 3 months later you go to him with the same question. You may get a different answer. Because you need something else 3 months later, probably. This is what I was saying, because the kind of the ability for, say हम तो क्या है, said हम तो एक वो है, एक माध्यम है, एक चैनल है. हमारे थ्रू जब जो हो रहा है सो हो रहा है, और वो जो मैं, he didn't say this, but this is where I is my interpretation. Yeah, where he comes from and where Shastra comes, they meet. What he says and Shastra, they meet. So therefore you will see whenever he sometimes will say विज्ञान भैरव या कुछ तो करेंगे, अरे ये तो हमने एडवांस में कितने कोर्स में कितने साल पहले बोला. You remember he says this not because he also says, oh, it's got his roots in the Shastra. It is not that he read the Shastra and made this point and taught to us. You see the point I'm making? मैं अगर बोलूंगा तो अब नॉलेज शीट से पढ़ूंगा कि नॉलेज शीट नंबर 4 में गुरुजी ने ये बोला है, अभी बोलेंगे. ऐसा है ना, वो बोलते हैं, वो शास्त्र से वो उसका मर्ज हो जाता है. What he says is शास्त्र. That is why he is a guru. हम आप बोलते हैं तो थोड़े बहुत ठीक होता है, थोड़ा बहुत ठीक नहीं भी होता है. But when he says, because he is coming from a space of absolutely not being himself, completely so-called hollow and empty. You know the hollow and empty, it's cliched, right? Done to that. Everybody talks about hollow and empty, but he is hollow and empty. So that's why when he speaks, that is totally in alignment with nature. It is got, there is no him, the body in it at all. There's no him. Whatever he says is completely. So जब वो कुछ कहते हैं वही होता है. कुछ लोग जैसे हमारे ऐसे ढीठ लोग हैं, they learn it the hard way. Some people who are more subtle, they just simply go with what he just says. Some people fight it, and ultimately what he says only will happen. And we all know this now by so many years of being with him, कि वो अगर कुछ बोले उस समय बोलने के समय लग भी सकता है कि यार क्या बोल रहे हैं यार गुरुजी, लेकिन होगा वही जो वो कह रहे हैं. You know.
You just mentioned dheet log. So I have this impression about you that you are dheet and you will go dashingly. If you want to do something, you will go dashingly, and then you will like, see what happens. Gurudev will take care. So I have seen you. You have that confidence to take risk and do something which is necessary.
Sorry, if you meet some of my old friends, they will say, "तू तो गाय बन गया यार." And if you talk to the Atomic people, they say, "तो बड़ा aggressive है यार."
I'll not say aggressive, but that kind of dheetness, no, that you definitely have. Yes. So ये सब पूरे ये dheetness में कभी डांटा है गुरुदेव ने, as he scolded?
हाँ. उनका डांटना तो बहुत बार हुआ है, but उनका डांटना जो the normal understanding of डांटना वो नहीं है इनका अलग है. You'll have to say, क्या प्रसन्ना, वो टोन हो गया तो हम लोग का सब हवा टाइट. He doesn't have to be, say anything, or so he's just has to say, "Kya bhai? Kitni baar?" That tone that he takes is enough. But yes, he has where it is required, and I know this for a fact. Sometimes I remember him saying, many times him saying, "कि ये आज होना चाहिए, 2 दिन के अंदर होना चाहिए, 2 दिन के अंदर होना चाहिए." Like that he will say, and then later on, because I'm into astrology and time, and I mean I have a lot of faith in astrology. A lot of my friends like Sadhujata and all are not so much so much into time and all that. But Sadhujata and me always have this thing. I will say it's time, and he will say it's whatever, and it's good fun that we keep having. So I'm into time, and when I talk to some astrologer later, they say कि यार वो उन दिनों में नहीं होता ना, ये होता ही नहीं कभी काम. We feel that he as if it's a target that you have to do. It's not like that. उस समय नहीं हुआ तो शायद होगा ही नहीं फिर वो. He's done that many times, and his anger is more a change in tone, nothing else. But that is enough. I still remember कई बार कुछ मतलब when you're in the administrative aspect of the organization, there are people come with something, ये करना है वो करना है, तो हमने कुछ एक बहुत अच्छी तरह से एक डील, my colleague Nikhil Sen, he's no more, very dear friend of mine, Nikhil. And Nikhil and me, we did some nice deal. Not deal, is not the right word, proposal. And we proposed it to Guruji. And then somebody else from the organization, our own internal person, came and said, कि ये तो मैं तो आधे दाम में कर दूंगा. And just Guruji just looked at us, it's like this. And it was, I don't know whether it was him looking or we feeling like that. He just looked at it and he says, क्या भाई, ये तो कह रहे हैं आधे में हो सकता है. मेरे तो मतलब पैर के नीचे से जमीन निकल गई. You know what I'm saying? It's not about being angry or showing anger or any of that. It's just about tilting that tone a little bit. And then, and by the way, that deal ultimately didn't go through. It didn't go through. What we said was correct, but that whole small little tone that he changes, somehow, पूरा एकदम हिल जाता आदमी. You've experienced that, Digvijay, have you not?
Yes, Bhaiya. And I think multiple times. But I remember my first time, मैं एक proposal बना रहा था तिरुपति ट्रेनिंग प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, और बाकी लोगों को लग रहा था वो प्रपोजल ठीक नहीं है. फाइनली अप्रूव वही हुआ, बट आई वाज यही उनकी डिमांड है 1.5 साल से स्टडी. एंड गुरुदेव के साथ हम कार में बैठे थे. फर्स्ट आई वाज वेरी न्यू इन आर्ट. गुरुदेव्स फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट वाज, आई सॉ योर प्रपोजल, बहुत इमैच्योर प्रपोजल है. एंड इट वाज वेरी इंसल्टिंग अगर मैं बिजनेस में जिस बैकग्राउंड से था. पर उस वक्त मुझे ऐसा लगा कि वाओ, गुरुदेव कैन यूज सच वर्ड्स फॉर मी. मतलब कितना वो अपना बना गया है. आई हैव क्रॉस दैट बैरियर ऑफ फॉर्मेलिटी,
ये अच्छा है, ये अपने आप को बहलाने का अच्छा एक नैरेटिव बनाया तूने भाई. दैट दिस इज हाउ ही फील्स बिलोंगिंगनेस विद मी.
मुझे अच्छा लगा यार वो. बट दैट प्रपोजल वेंट थ्रू एंड बहुत अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट हुआ. हां,
वेरी गुड. But everything is about narrative, boss. It's about, at the end of the day, everything is about a narrative, no? देखो, कुछ आज है, कल कुछ नहीं रहेगा. तो suddenly, if the mind has the ability to say कि अब वो नहीं है, so you adapt to the new situation and you spin a new narrative, and then you start from scratch again, right?
True.
That is, if you are not able to do that, then we've not lived the knowledge.
True.
So many times in so many things that we do, you are taking care of a trust. Suddenly some portion of the trust will be palmed off and given to you, but 4 months you would have worked in that trust thinking that department is part of this, and we'll do this and we'll do that and we'll do this and we'll do a full 4 mahine ka tigdam and circus and all that. And suddenly one day one of those things which was major part of your plan will be given away to another trust. And then what do? He said, now we have 3 things. With those 3 things, you spin a new narrative. If you're not able to do that, फिर तो ज्ञान तो जिए ही नहीं ना भाई. अच्छा, मेरा तो लिमिटेड. मैं कह रहा हूं, अगर मान लो तुमसे कुछ छीन लिया जाता है, ले लिया जाता है, कितना टाइम लगता है for me to come back to my balance? This is my yardstick. Earlier it used to take me many days. Very recently, when something happened, it took me a couple of hours. So this is what I would call progress. The ability to now say, okay, 4 चीज थी, 2 गई, अब 2 बचा, 2 से क्या करना है बताओ, और क्या कर सकते हो. 2 नहीं जाना चाहिए बोल के रहने से तो कुछ होना नहीं वाला. I mean, especially with G is not gonna, it's not going to cut ice. कहीं और तो कर भी लोगे. तो एक बार जो गया सो गया, जो जा रहा है उस पर फोकस मत करो, जो है उस पर अपनी दृष्टि डालो, उसको बड़ा करो. I mean, that's the motto of my life.
Where you had a wonderful tour with Gurudev. Many countries you went to, Europe and other places. So any memories from that time?
Solid.
How this whole thing got organized?
I was no Guruji. I didn't travel much with Guruji in foreign countries. I would meet him here and there, but I would do my own thing because I was not traveling with him. I was sent to a country. I did about 20 odd countries, 25, 26 countries in Europe in 2 years. And I would travel from one country to the other. And I went initially, उस ज़माने में 6 महीने का मिलता था Schengen visa. तो 6 महीने का Schengen visa, जो लोग गए उनको सबको पता ही है कि वो 6 महीना कैसे ढंग से हम लोग निचोड़े. That was the only plan, right? You go, you take so much effort, you spend so much money, and you go to some countries और वहां से connecting करते. How do you make most of the 6 months that is available on the visa is how the plan was. So I traveled a lot, and yeah, those days were very fun and very challenging. I still remember a lot was going on in my life in those days, and so it was my birthday. I was in Switzerland, and it was the 24th of October, and call comes गुरुजी का. हाँ कैसे हो भाई? So I said, हाँ गुरुजी बहुत बहुत अच्छा है, सब ठीक है. And then I was telling him कि बहुत turmoil है मतलब अंदर. So he says, हाँ ठीक तो है, just bake in it. And he wishes me and he cuts the phone. किसी को बोलेंगे यार बड़ा निर्दय है आदमी. But those moments when he completely and totally holds you and lets you bake. Do you get what I'm saying? It's not that you are by yourself and जाके अपने आप bake करो तुम जाओ, वो नहीं है. I have totally and completely got you. I'm holding you, but you have to bake. बोलते वो पकना जरूरी है, he says. जब तक पकोगे नहीं तब तक निखार नहीं आएगा. So yeah, it's amazing being with him, and it's not always easy. A lot of the people, I always say, when you go to Guruji's Kutir Ganga or wherever, there is a chain, right? So being on the other side of the chain is one thing. Then when you want to be with Guruji and this and that, and being on this side of the chain, you're with him, and it's something that you always wanted when you're on the other side of the chain. But when you ultimately come on this side of the chain, it's not always easy, because he is not something that you can fathom through your mind. And everything you want to understand, as a human being, you want to understand everything. And he's one thing you can never understand. And if you think you understood him, then you've missed the point. That is also one narrative spin that he's doing, that he's letting you believe that you understood him. You cannot understand our man. He's something else. He's something else altogether. The minute you think you understood him, you missed the bus. तो वो बहुत आसान नहीं है, क्योंकि something that you can't get your mind around, that becomes quite tricky. And in the midst of all this turmoil, I mean, I've said this to Guruji many times. I've said it to him many times. I was like, from what you say, Guruji, it doesn't sound like you have a clue. But the only thing that keeps me going is that you know what you're doing. Really. If you want to judge him by his actions, आप बैठ के लिस्ट बना सकते हो, ये ठीक नहीं, वो ठीक नहीं, ये ठीक नहीं. You get what I'm saying? I don't know whether I'm the spirit of what I'm trying to say you're getting or not. It is not about what he does, but the thing that I know that he knows what he is doing. उस समय जब करते हैं तो लगेगा बड़ा यार ये तो फुल गड़बड़ है, लेकिन somehow it works out like मक्खन. In the end, of course. In the end. तो वो एंड का प्रॉब्लम है मेरे को. हम लोग गुरुजी के साथ वैसी मस्ती मजाक में कहते हैं, वो एंड में क्यों होता है? बोलता है तभी तो एंड बोलते हैं उसको. मतलब कोई भी चीज हो, वो WCF हो, वो सिल्वर जुबली हो, मतलब माथा मार मूर के एंड में क्यों होता है? गुरुजी मेरे को बोले, प्रसन्ना एंड में क्यों होता है? वो एंड इसी को तो एंड बोलते हैं जब खत्म होता है. So with him, no, it's you have to be close to a master. You must have courage. It's like being close to fire. आसान नहीं है. You know, it's very easy to say I want to be or all that. You know, the emotion is one thing, but when you're with him, when you're working with him, it's not always easy. But that's the beauty. If you are able to stand through that, go through that, preferably smiling, then you come out on the other side a completely new, beautiful, awesome, strong person.
And while all that chaos is going on, that rough patch is going on, that polishing is going on, he's the reason to smile.